come to the people that I actually want them to come here. I will name them. Number 1, I want Kong Ampareen Lingdo to please come here. Understand us. See, for the last 4 days and a half we have been here. Why I want Kong Ampareen to come here is because Kong Ampareen has been the HOD of the mass media department in St. Anthony's College. So she has been a teacher and now she is in the government. I want her to come here to understand the plight of the teachers. Most of the teachers that are sitting here are female teachers. It breaks my heart, but what can I do? We also have to seek the support of everyone. So thank you to each and every single one of you who are here. The next politician that I want to come forward is Jemino from UDP. Now where do I want Jemino to also come here? Because he has also been a professor in the Northeastern Hill University, which is also one of the best universities in the Northeast. So Jemino has also been a teacher in his life. He is a politician now, but we are waiting. Where are you? You are teachers. You are supposed to come here and understand the plight of the teachers. It doesn't matter to which party you belong to. I want you to come here. I want you to understand us. And I want you to fight for us. We do not know whether you are not coming for what reason. But I just want you to come here as a fellow teacher who has been a teacher before. So I will urge these 2 people. Please come. Kong Ampareen Lingdo, the ex-HOD of the Mass Communication Department in St. Anthony's College, and Jemino of Northeastern Hill University.